cool and starting to look a little more like Christmas across the northern mountains where we've had more snow recently, obviously, and one of the areas that did pretty well, over a foot of snow at the Taos Ski Valley here. Shot of Kachina Peak, and we should see more by Friday, and Taos is one of those areas that could do okay, especially up around the ski valley. Meanwhile, here along the valley floor, not much happening today. We saw temperatures warm a little bit, but still below average for this time of year, and we are starting to see actually the days extend in the evenings a little bit now. Now, we're still getting shorter in the mornings by more than we're lengthening in the evenings, so days are still getting shorter up until around the 21st of December. But we are starting to see that sunset stretch out a little bit. 41 degrees in the metro, northwest winds at 13 miles an hour. Temperatures 17 Alamosa, 27 Taos, 20 in Las Vegas. Down across the south, temperatures in the 30s and 40s right now. Some 30s out around Clayton and Tucumcari as well. Satellite and radar shows a couple clouds out to the west. This is not going to mean a whole lot, though, heading through the next couple of days, where it's still going to be pretty nice out there across the board. And in fact, as we look at what's going on with satellite and radar on a wider view, we are starting to see more showers head into the northern California coast, more clouds into northern portions of the Mountain West. And a wider look shows our next storm. And here it is right here. It's over the Pacific Northwest, and it is going to dive down the California coast over the next couple of days and then head in across New Mexico. So let's get to it with the storm report. Right now, the storm is over the Pacific Northwest. Timing, well, it could be Thursday through Saturday morning, really Thursday p.m. through Saturday morning. Expect valley rain out to the west with the possibility of central sections getting a mix. Snow across the north and western mountains. Cooler temperatures. Bust potential right now is at 55%. Again, we're still about 3 days out on this thing at least, and we've got some chance to bring this thing down. But one thing we have some concern on, and that is how much strength does this storm maintain as it heads in our direction. So we'll be nicer over the next couple of days with temperatures around 50 degrees. And this storm's actually going to intensify as it slides down the west coast. But it is showing signs as it tracks in our direction of giving a tremendous amount of precip to Arizona. But as it gets over New Mexico, it could weaken a bit, and that could reduce the amount of rain and snow that we see out of this. I still think it's going to be a pretty good storm for the mountains. The question is, will this thing hold on to enough juice and enough lift that as it comes into the state, will valley sections like Albuquerque get a chance at some rain and snow? And that's what we'll watch over the next 3 to 4 days. 41 Durango, 39 Pagosa Springs, 35 in Alamosa, lots of sunshine, a little warmer by the afternoon. 48 in Farmington, 51 in Gallup. Winter mix possible Friday into Saturday across the southwest. Places like the Gila could do pretty well for picking up some snow, and areas like, say, Silver City out toward T or C rather could pick up some scattered showers too. Over to the southeast, 50s and 60s for tomorrow, and then lots of sunshine Thursday before a quick chance at showers Friday. Northeast not going to see as much out of this next storm as we saw out of the past storm, but it will be possible to get a few showers on Friday. Northern mountains could be one of those favored areas, especially areas like, say, Los Alamos and along with western slope locations as well. 48 in Cedar Crest, 51 in Edgewood, 50 in Harris. West winds gusting to 40 miles an hour. And finally, right here in the metro, temperatures going to top out tomorrow right about 50 degrees with lots of sunshine. Extended forecast. We'll get our chance at showers by Friday with cooling temperatures.
Sports is next.